I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio Korean lesson that helps your thumbs keep up with real chats.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 짧은 문자 표현도 상황이 정말 중요합니다.
I saw a Korean friend text two consonant names, 치읓, 키읔, after someone got accepted. Was that a typo? Or was it congratulations?
좋은 질문이에요. 치읓, 키읔, written as the shortcut on the card, is a very casual way to mean 축하. Congratulations.
Today we add three common shortcuts. 치읓, 키을 for 축하. 시옷, 기역 for 수고. And 기역, 디귿 for 기다려.
So the pattern is, keep the first consonant sounds of the Korean word, and friends understand the shortcut.
맞아요. But remember, this is not formal Korean. These are friendly, fast, casual text shortcuts.
First one, 축하. In a full casual message, you can say 축하해, meaning congratulations.
In texting, friends often shorten 축하 to the shortcut on the card. It feels quick, light, and casual.
Let me try the full word,
축하.
and in a quick chat, I type the shortcut.
Good. If you want warmer texting, add 해, 축하해. If you want the shortest friendly reaction, use the shortcut.
Second one, 수고. 수고 means effort or hard work. In messages, 수고했어 means you worked hard or good work.
The shortcut, 시, 옷, 기역. It is common among friends or teammates after doing something together.
So if my friend and I finish a group project, I can text the
치읓, 기려.
shortcut.
네, 친구라면 괜찮아요. In English, think nice work or thanks for your effort, but very clipped.
But to a boss, teacher, or older person, write 수고하셨습니다 instead. Do not use the shortcut there.
Got it. A short shortcut to my friend after a game.
수고하셨습니다.
To someone I need to respect.
Third one, 기다려. It means wait. In texting, people shorten it to 기역, 디귿. 디귿.
기역, 디구 is like wait or hold on. It is casual and can sound a little blunt, so use it with close friends.
If I'm typing and need 10 seconds, can I send the
기역, 디귿.
shortcut?
네, 더 부드럽게 말하고 싶으면 잠깐만 or 잠깐 기다려 is better. In English, just a second.
Now let's compare the three meanings in one place.
Let me reason it out.
치읓, 키읔.
Comes from,
축하. 치읓, 기려.
comes from,
수고.
and
기역, 디귿.
comes from.
기다려.
맞아요. And one important detail. These are typed shortcuts. When speaking out loud, say the real word like 축하해 or 기다려.
Here is a tiny chat. Listen for when each shortcut feels natural.
나 합격했어.
오, 치읓, 키은.
고마워. 너도 발표 준비하느라 시옷기역.
잠깐, 자료 찾는 중. 기역, 디귿.
I heard it. Good news gets the congrats shortcut. Shared effort gets the good work shortcut. And hold on gets the wait shortcut.
좋아요. Now repeat after me with the full words first. 축하해.
축하해.
Good. Now the shortcut you type is shown on the card. In Korean, the consonant names are 치인 and 키은.
Next, 수고했어. This is the warmer, full, casual message.
수고했어.
Nice. The shortcut is 시옷, 기역. Use it only when the relationship and situation are casual enough.
Last one, 기다려, wait.
기다려.
And the shortcut is 기억, 디구. It is fast, but a little sharp.
Here's my possible mistake. If my professor sends me a file, can I reply with the
치우키려.
shortcut?
그건 피하는 게 좋아요. To a professor, the shortcut sounds too casual and possibly rude.
A safer reply is 감사합니다 or 수고하셨습니다, depending on the situation.
Another mistake. Texting the
기억 디귿.
shortcut to someone I just met could sound like I'm ordering them around.
맞아요. A softer version is 잠깐만요 for polite speech or 잠깐만 for friends.
Quick check. Your close friend texts, 나 운전면허 떼어, meaning I got my driver's license. Which reply fits best?
I choose the congrats shortcut because getting a license is good news, not a task we just finished together.
정답이에요. 치읓, 키은 is right. Because the event calls for congratulations. 시옷, 기억 would mean good work. And 기억 디귿 means wait.
Second check. You are texting your manager after a meeting. Which reply should you avoid?
See the 치우키려.
Shortcut. It is too casual for a manager.
Exactly. Use 수고하셨습니다 or 감사합니다 in that setting.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 치읓키는 축하해요. In English, use it for casual congratulations with friends.
둘째, 시옷 기억은 수고예요. In English, it means good work or thanks for the effort, but it can feel abrupt outside close relationships.
셋째, 기억 디귿은 기다려예요. In English, it means wait or hold on, so soften it to 잠깐만요 when you need politeness.
마지막으로 이 표현들은 문자 줄임말이에요. In English, they are texting shortcuts, not the forms you should use in formal speech.
Keeper sentence for my thumbs. Good news gets the congrats shortcut. Hard work gets the good work shortcut. And hold on gets the wait shortcut.
오늘은 이 세 가지 줄임말만 기억하세요. 치읓, 키은, 시옷, 기억, 기억, 디귿.
다음 시간에는 짧지만 더 부드럽게 들리는 답장을 배워볼게요. 함께 해주셔서 감사합니다.